In a small village school, children sat together in their white shirts and green longees, learning and laughing. Their teacher smiled as she guided them through their lessons. It was a peaceful morning, full of hope. But suddenly, a military airplane appeared above them. Without warning, bombs rained down. The school shook and collapsed into dust and fire. Some children were lost forever. Others lay injured, crying for help. Now, among the broken walls and scattered books, the surviving children stand with tearful eyes, holding what is left of their dreams. They are asking us to help them rebuild, to protect their right to learn in safety. No child should ever fear going to school. No classroom should become a battlefield. Please stand with these children. Support safe schools. Protect their education. Protect their future.